I joined martial arts at 12 years old because I couldn't fight. I couldn't defend myself, and I was tall for my age, and I was getting picked on all the time in school. People would just come up and start a fight with me. I'd be like, I don't know how to fight. Like, what do you want from me? Right? And of course, when you have that attitude,
They
right,
knock you out.
they hit you, right? Or they push you, or they do whatever they want to you because they know you're easy. So the sole aim that I did was to join martial arts was to defend myself, and I was able to do that. Not in the beginning, but took a year of real solid practice. I started with judo first, and then I got into kung fu, and then a blend of kung fu karate. And about 2 or 3 years after I had been training consistently, a guy came up to me in the schoolyard, pushed me, and said, "Oh, I remember you from a few years ago." And I just stood there and looked him in the face, and looked him right in the eyes.
You're ready for him.
And I said, "Don't lay a hand on me again, because if you do, you're going to accelerate this, and you don't want to do that today." Well, he was like, "What?" So he went to push me, and I moved to the side, and his hand went like this. And I said, "You got away with that one easy." So he's sizing me up and down, and you could just feel it. You know, yeah, it's like, dude, what do I do? What do I do? Because now there's a whole bunch of people around, right?
Yeah, of course.
And they're all looking, and now his reputation's on the line too. So instead of being boisterous and pushing it, I just said, "I don't want any trouble if you don't." And he shook my hand, and we shook hands. I never had a problem with him again.
Which was not easy growing up.
Another guy wasn't so easy. He tackled me, and we started rolling around on the ground. And of course, I had a couple of years of judo, so I knew how to use my weight to my advantage. And this guy was a big guy, and he was well known as a fighter. Well, I just laid flat on him and pinned him. He was also a smoker.
So you couldn't.
He couldn't breathe so well. A little bit of tussling and wrestling, and afterwards, right? And then when I got my chest on him, and I'm spread, so I got his arms pinned, and putting my full weight on his chest. Well, you can't get your chest to take a breath. So it's, right? He's like, I can't breathe. I said, "If I let you up, it's over, right?" He said, yeah, just let me breathe a little bit. I said, "Okay, but it's over, right?" I said, "I want your word. It's over." Yeah, it's over. Then I let him up, and he honored that. Okay? So I was tested for a while, and then people started to respect me, and I didn't have those issues anymore. But I had to stand up. And so as I went through martial arts and I learned how to defend myself, it wasn't really about being able to fight anymore, because I knew how to do that. And I thought, what else can I do with my life? As soon as you get past the point of fear, what you fear most, you start asking more significant questions. And those significant questions are, what can I do with my life that would offer more quality to my own life experience? And what can I do with my life that can offer the quality to other people in their life experience?